At Knit Freedom, we know you want to knit with confidence. We think you deserve to learn and master knitting even if you don't have anyone around to support you. In order to do that, you need to learn to read patterns, read your work, understand yarn, knit beginner to advanced techniques correctly, and understand how to catch and fix your knitting mistakes. The problem is, free videos on YouTube are hard to learn from, and so most people find themselves wasting a lot of time trying to find the right videos in order to get a clear answer. We understand your frustrations. It can be confusing, and that can be stressful, trying to learn on your own. But we believe there's a better way. It's why we created Knitting Superstar University, a step-by-step video knitting university that guarantees results. We've put together a fantastic program of top-quality video courses, projects, knit-alongs, and community and expert support. The classes are all organized by level of difficulty to make learning simple, easy, and fun. We've helped tens of thousands of knitters already learn to knit projects they wouldn't have even attempted before, from knitting basics to the most advanced concepts and techniques. You need someone that's invested in your success. You need a teacher that you can trust with your knitting time, your questions, and that can guide you through all of knitting's most important techniques, from beginner to advanced. Our process is simple. You get instant access, you start learning right away, and then you celebrate how far you've come. When you click Get Instant Access, you get access to all 18 professional quality video courses in Knitting Superstar University. As you get started, we'll provide you with a detailed roadmap so you can discover the projects and topics you want to master first. Then you'll start learning right away. That's where you'll dive into the crystal clear video lessons and knit along with the projects that are specifically designed to help you become a more confident knitter in record time. Finally, we'll celebrate how far you've come when you post or email us a photo of a finished project you're proud of that you never thought you could knit before. So click Get Instant Access today because life is way too short not to have fun knitting.